country are preparing for water. I mean,
Yes.
here, there, wow, it's just quite the spring.
Well, I'm going to show you some pictures in just a minute of how much snow is in the mountains, in not just the northern mountains, but the central mountains. This is what it looked like today when some thunder showers popped up, and some of them briefly produced lightning, which is Utah's #1 weather-related killer. Some strong, gusty downburst winds. It turned out to be a rather unsettled afternoon. If you didn't have an umbrella or a jacket, you probably got a little bit wet. And I saw a lot of soccer kids out playing. They were wet as well. The South Fork of the Ogden River, Benjamin Steiner says it's full, but luckily there aren't a lot of structures that are involved. But take a look at these pictures near Fairview Canyon. This is in the Wasatch Plateau. Dustin Yerskin says, look how deep the snow is. And my friends, it is not melting yet. And that snow has to come out. We're now just 3 weeks away from the first official 100-degree day temperature of the season. In other words, in the next 3 weeks, we're going to get hot, a lot hotter than we were today, like 82 in Moab. By the first or second week of June, we'll have 90s, and that water is going to come out very, very quickly. 71 in Montpelier today, and Larry Matthews in St. George reports 89. We had 75 in Vernal. Well, the quick cast shows that tonight at midnight, mostly cloudy, 56. By morning, breezy and 54, but at noon it turns very windy, very, very windy most of the afternoon, and then 60 on Monday, much colder, partly cloudy and blustery. But I'm telling you, tomorrow, tie down the trampoline, tie down the garbage cans, 40 to 60 mile-per-hour winds with higher wind gusts. Now, we've had some thunder showers lingering in the Uinta Basin. You can see them near Vernal. And northward up towards the Uinta Mountains, we're actually seeing snow in the high country over towards around Chapita Lake and out into the Quient Lake Basin. In Mountain View, this is an area that's been getting a little light rain east of Evanston. So that's where we are tonight, and most of the rain has ended along the Wasatch Front as this rather potent afternoon disturbance moved by, bringing those widely scattered thunder showers. In the meantime, southerly winds will begin to blow. We're 59 right now. This storm off the coastline, as it moves in, we call it a pressure gradient. Very strong southerly winds will begin to blow as we are 59 now, 55 in Provo, 58 in Delta. Very warm, gusty southerly winds as the cold front will be in this position at 5 a.m. Look where it is by 5 p.m. Approaching right up close to the Wasatch Front. And then during the night, it passes by, so we get those gusty shifting winds. During the day Monday, most of the storm goes north, so what we end up with is a very windy day tomorrow and a very windy day on Monday. Now, ahead of the front, we are warm, very warm. We'll see a lot of snow melting, and there will be some possible trampolines blown into the neighbor's yard, believe me. A very windy day, 4 windy days in fact, and temperatures 4 days in a row of below normal with the best chance a bit of rain for you on Wednesday in St. George. Here in the north, windy with highs in the low 70s Logan, 78 in Ogden, increasingly cloudy skies. As the storm approaches from the northwest, it will likely miss us. Mostly wind, shifting winds, and a 20-degree temperature drop. Then on Tuesday, the storm sweeps through. We'll see periods of rain showers and thunder showers Tuesday and Wednesday with lingering showers Thursday. The good news is, look at Saturday.
Gets better.
70 by Saturday.
Just between
it's the middle
now
of the
and
week.
then, yeah.
Nice weekend.
And I warn you, seriously, tomorrow, it is going to be very windy, high-profile vehicles. Going to be bad.
Keep the animals tied down. Yeah, thanks, Dan. Rod joins us now.